Imagine you're having a coding problem, and you try to use 0.1 as a sum double in GuiSci, but you hit a snag. The error message says there's no instance for fractional sum double, and points to the literal 0.1. You might wonder if this is an oversight or if there's a reason not to create that instance, especially since monoid sum double already exists, even if double addition isn't associative. It's a tricky problem, but there's an interesting solution to it. The solution lies in a comment by Naeem Favier, referencing ticket number 18161, where Emily Pillmore shared a thought. The idea is that it could be confusing to divide two sum values. So having a fractional instance for sum might not align with the intended usage of the sum type. In essence, sum is seen as a marker interface that holds values for folding, rather than a simple sum type itself. This sheds light on why the instance might not be necessary, even if it seems logical at first. To wrap it all up, the debate around creating a fractional instance for sum double boils down to the intended purpose of the sum type. While it may seem like a useful addition, the core concept of sum being a marker for folding values suggests otherwise. Understanding this distinction helps clarify why certain type class instances are omitted, even when they seem to make sense at first glance. And with that, we reach the end of our discussion. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts, maybe even share a programming joke or two.